There's your seat belt. And Bryce, there's yours. Okay.
Make sure your feet are uncrossed.
And yeah, I might as well shut that.
Oh, by the way, I checked on you on flight radar, and it clocked you at 0 feet going 100 knots.
0 feet at 100 knots. Wow.
Nice. I was like, dang, that's a
Must
cheap
be nice.
number.
Altimeter or something's off, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
he wants to go so
something.
bad.
Something with flight radar.
GPS isn't super great.
Yeah, you don't want to lock
altitude
yourself
here.
in. He'll be back in a little bit. Alrighty, for us to start off, you got to be over on that side just for safety. And we'll be back in about 20 minutes.
Doing the Venice area down signal slide 28.
Now you got to do that the other way, Bryce. Now you can shut it. Perfect.
How's the flight?
They did good. I didn't have to use a barf bag. They didn't yell in the radio. That was a good flight.
Did you have
Good
fun?
flight.
Oh, yeah.
That was great.
Yeah. A lot of fun,
That
huh?
was a lot of fun. Well,
Yeah, I first got in one of these. I went out to Alaska in 2005 and went up in one. My brother had one. Took me for a spin. Alaska's a beautiful place to
Oh,
fly.
yeah.
And I fell in love with the machine. I said, this is like a magic carpet. Came back,
wait,
called the
how
flight
do you know
school.
of a magic carpet? How do you know
He
it?
said it was like
Well,
a
just like,
magic
remember, we brought it, we did a maneuver. We were at 600 feet and we slowed it down to 0 ground speed. So we're
Wait.
just hovering,
carpet. Yeah.
Wait,
right?
what?
That's like a
Let him
magic
talk, let him
carpet.
talk.
Then we push it forward and within a minute we're doing 100 knots. And
Yep.
over here, spinning around.
Yeah. So how do you know of a magic carpet?
Well, I remember a magic carpet when I was like about 8 years old and I watched cartoons, you know, and they had some.
No, have you played
Which one
Roblox?
that
They
was?
have you played Roblox? They have magic carpets.
They get now?
Yeah, they do.
In his video game, they have magic.
Oh, is that
carpets.
right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That's. I'm 68 now. I missed the video game craze.
Yep.
Yep.
So this is my video game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In real life.
Flying a real helicopter.
Actual reality, not virtual reality.
Right.
Yep. Actual reality.
Yeah.
So what do we got to do?
Well, we gotta get your certificate, right? He's gonna sign your logbook.
Yep. Wow. Second time I've ever been on a helicopter.
Yeah.
If I didn't want to wait, I would have taken the plane.
Right, but you did the right thing. You waited for it, and you got to ride in the front seat.